fastest coverage without dealing with without dealing with foundation and all that stuff. So right now I'm just going to draw my eyebrows. Guys, you already know this is my favorite pencil. Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon in Simmer Brown. And all I do is just clean it up with my fingers. I will not be doing any concealer cleaning up. Just gonna brush here so we can blend. Wipe my brush clean because I don't want any color transferring over and ruin the second one. So I'll take this Sacha Butterscotch to brighten my under eye a little bit. Use a lip liner. If you want, you can use a little eyeliner. I don't feel like an eyeliner today, so I'm just going to use mascara. Rub the brush on the lash and then roll it to pick product. Roll it to pick product and then brush it up. You see? And just put on my wig.